Definitely sounds pretty choice. It's always scary putting up rigging to get something that heavy out. That motor is way heavier than it looks. I gotta look up the weight on this sucker. It is a 20 horsepower motor, but wow, is it heavy. And you can hear that thing. Oh yeah. Back bearing. Wow, that's toast. That it's burnt. That would have failed for sure. It's a new bearing. Whisper quiet. This is how you manhandle a 300-pound motor that there's no way you could pick up yourself. That motor is heavy for its size. Rigging, electric winch, and then you just hook up various rigging straps just to manipulate it so you can slide it in position. Let the rigging do all the work. There we go. That's pretty, getting closer to position there. Yeah, there we go. That's probably almost close enough. Put the other bracket in there. We just got a electric switch here to raise and lower the heavy ass beast that it is.